Well, I think the first thing that states need to do is to acknowledge that they have different needs and different problems facing drugs, and different capacities also. I mean, part of the problem, if not the main problem of the current drug policy, it's not only that it's prohibitionist and in that sense unrealizable and violent per se, I mean by definition, but is that it's premised on the idea that a one-size-fits-all solution will work. I mean, if it wasn't prohibition, it was some other policy, the idea that one solution for every country, every community, every drug, every type of user will work is flawed in and of itself. The relation people establish with drugs, the uses that they give to them, the different kinds of drugs, the different communities they have, the different resources, the different needs, the different aspirations they have when consuming drugs or when wishing to cease the use of drugs are different. And therefore, we have to start from that premise. So I think that states need to respect each other and try to understand the needs of each other and understand that they're different and that we can't all find just one solution. So the best way for cooperation is comprehension of each other and not cohesion over one single policy. And the second thing we can do is to learn from each other. I mean, there are communities across the globe which have similar problems. London probably has a closer problem to New York than New York does to some little town in Milwaukee or to a border town in the border with Mexico. So maybe London and New York have a lot to share, which Milwaukee and New York don't. And so we need to learn from each other, but we need to do so by respecting the fact that the needs are different and that the capacities are different.